In this video, you will learn, is Duolingo good for learning Dutch? Duolingo can be a useful tool for learning Dutch, especially for many beginners or those looking to build a solid foundation in the language. The app offers gamified learning experience, making it very engaging and motivating, with bite-sized lessons that cover grammar, vocabulary, and basic sentence structure. Duolingo incorporates listening, speaking, reading, and writing exercises, which all help you develop a balanced set of skills. The repetition and gradual progress makes it easier to reinforce concepts over time. However, while Duolingo is effective at getting started with Dutch, it has its limitations. It may not offer enough depth for more advanced grammar topics or even conversational practice. These are essential for learning the fluency. For learners aim to achieve higher levels of proficiency in Dutch, it's always beneficial to supplement Duolingo with additional resources such as conversation practice, Dutch language or media, or grammar-focused books in Dutch. Overall, Duolingo is great, an accessible option for many beginners looking to learn Dutch, but it works when the best is paired with other study methods. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.